Hey everybody, I'm Laura with Seacliff Yacht Sales, and I'm here with Cindy from the Luxury Financial Group. As a yacht broker, I get a lot of questions from clients wondering about finance and asking questions. So I just wanted to take this opportunity, Cindy, to ask you some questions for our viewers. So for financing, what is the typical down payment for a boat loan?
Typically, 250,000 and over is 20%. Certain vessels may go up to 30%, but I would say an average is 20%.
Okay. And then what kind of terms can you get on the boat? How long can you finance it?
20-year amortization, which is excellent.
Yeah, that's amazing because with cars, people are used to 5 years, 7 years. So this is more like buying a home than when you're buying a boat.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Correct.
How long does the process usually take?
Well, with a clean package, which is my job to submit a complete clean package to the bank, I've seen us close in 10 days to 2 weeks. So it depends on the situation with the boat, where the boat is located, has it had a survey yet? A lot of things can affect the time of closing.
That's really great timing though. How long is the rate locked in? So if somebody gets approved, how long do they have access to that rate?
60 to 90 days, again, depending on the lender.
Okay, that's good to know. And will the lenders give pre-approvals if they haven't decided on a boat, would they pre-approve them for a specific amount?
Yes, absolutely. The lender just wants an idea of what type of boat they're looking at. So we can get a pre-approval without a purchase agreement. I'm actually working on one of those right now, and the gentleman is out boat shopping, but he knows basically the type of boat that he's looking for and the purchase price. So yes, we can do pre-approvals.
So you can submit that and then substitute the boat that he decides on.
Yes.
Awesome. What factors determine qualifying for a recreational boat loan?
Credit history is critical. The extent of your credit, the time that you've had credit history is critical. Of course, your financials. We're going to look at how you pay yourself personally. If you're a business owner, we're going to look at your K-1s. If you're a W-2, we're going to look at your W-2s. We can at times, if folks are retired, we can use some of their portfolio towards liquidity. But cash flow, credit, and personal liquidity, the lenders typically want to see 12 months liquidity in the bank for their total financial picture.
Gotcha. That sounds doable. Does the vessel have to be U.S. Coast Guard documented?
Under 5 net tons, it does not. Sometimes the bank may require it, but typically 5 net tons and above, it does have to be U.S. Coast Guard documented. And you can only U.S. Coast Guard document a boat if you're a U.S. citizen. So we can finance foreign nationals. There are loan limits to that. We can finance, oftentimes we have a husband or a wife, one is a green card holder and one is a U.S. citizen. We just need the U.S. citizen to be on the loan as well. And then they form an LLC, and that is where the Coast Guard documentation is able to go through, because the U.S. citizen is on the LLC and on the loan.
Gotcha. Well, that answers a lot of questions that, as a yacht broker, I get from potential boat buyers. How does a person get the application process started?
They give me a call.
We're
going to collect an application, a personal financial statement, 2 years business and personal tax returns, and I start from there, and I will personally calculate all the cash flow and talk through it with the client to see if I believe they can qualify for that loan. And then with signed paperwork, we can submit to the bank.
Well, that sounds excellent. And what was your email again, Cindy, for people to reach out?
Cindy@lfg.money, and my cell phone is 954-654-9784.
Thank you so much for coming out today. This has
You're
been
welcome.
really, really
Thank you
beneficial.
for inviting me.
Thank you.
It's great to see you since
Great to
Palm
see
Beach.
you too.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Congratulations on your listing.
Yeah, thank you. I hope somebody will give you a call and get this baby financed because she's a beautiful boat.
She is beautiful.
Thanks, everybody.
Have a great day.